panel from the phone. Next, it's time to get a little bit deeper inside of this phone. I'll start by disconnecting all the flex cables that I can see connecting to this logic board. There is quite a number of these, and some of them aren't actually populated. I believe this is for the US iPhone 12, which has an extra 5G antenna on the side of the phone. Another potential repair mistake is ripping this flex cable, which is hidden underneath this sticker. Down at the lower portion of the logic board, there is also some shielding which I'll need to remove to be able to access 2 more flex cables. After disconnecting those, I can remove the 4 screws holding in place the logic board for the iPhone 12. There is also 1 screw connecting to the camera assembly which I'll need to remove. I thought I would remove the SIM card mechanism to be able to get more clearance to remove the logic board. However, one of the screws was already rounded from the factory, so my screwdriver wouldn't grip it. Luckily, I was able to get the logic board out without the need